Hello again everybody, this is me Ashana. We have a factory job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, Wednesday. The job description for this is actually a factory, and we're looking for one person only to work as a nursing care products factory reception. So this is scheduled for interview tomorrow. So if you are available to apply for this position, this is located in Urayasu City in Chiba. The salary for this is from 192,000 yen up. So we are looking for one person only to work as a receptionist for a factory nursing care products. This is a cleaning company actually. They are washing, drying nursing care products within the factory. So if you are willing to apply, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow. Please let us know. You can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. Thank you.